Hello dear teachers, today I am going to tell you how you can take attendance of your students while taking meeting in Microsoft Teams. And for this we are going to use a tool called as Microsoft Forms. For this, open your browser and here you have to write www.forms.office.com. So this page will open. What you have to do is you have to sign in here. You all have your email IDs, Microsoft email IDs with you and your passwords with you. So you have to sign in here. Here you will write your Microsoft account. So I'm writing it narula.mamta DPS vasankanj.com. So you have to write your Microsoft ID here. Then you have to press next. Now you have to enter your password. Then you have to press here sign in. So from this page you can make a form which can be used for taking attendance in your class. So I'm clicking on this new form. First you have to give a title to this form. So I'm giving a title accountancy class. I can write dated. So I can write tomorrow's date 28th April 2020. So here you can write the description about your class. You can write the timings. Suppose the timings are from 11:15 AM to 12:10 PM. So you can write anything in the description. You can write that in heading also. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this plus button, and I'm selecting this first box, choice. Now I have to write a question. So instead of question I'm writing attendance, and option 1 is I'm writing I am present, and there's a second option also which I'm deleting. So I'm giving only one option, that is I am present. So I'm giving only one option, that is I am present. So this question is a compulsory question, so click here. So means now student have to compulsorily give this answer. And now what you have to do is you have to go on right hand side of your screen. If there are 3 dots, click here. The first box here is setting. Click here. You can see certain settings. Here it is written only with the link can respond, only people in my organization can respond. So please make sure this is clicked. Record name. I can also click here 1 response per person, means a child can mark attendance only once. And then if you go for option of responses, so I can go on a start date 28th, and I can also mention the time. So I'm writing here class time as 11:15. I don't want my students to fill this attendance before that. And I can also write the end date. End date will be 28th, and timing I am writing 12:10. So I have given this time. The child can fill this form only during this time. So now settings is done. Now the next thing is preview. So before you go for another thing, you should preview how the form looks to a student. So if I go on preview, so this is what a student see the form like. There's a date written and he has to click here and submit. Now one more thing you can do is, since some teachers in class 12 they have sections also, so you can add a new question. Again, choice, mention your section. So suppose you are teaching two sections, I can write 12J and second option is 12I. So these are the two options which I have given. So again, this question is a required question. So I can go on preview now. So you can see now child C form like this. Attendance, he has to fill I'm present, that he has to mention the section and he has to submit the form, and we are going to see, we can open it in the same way and we can see all responses here. And the good thing is you can find an Excel sheet with your complete attendance of students, when have they marked and what is their email address. Now what you have to do is you have to share this form with your students. So you click on share. If you can see, there is one link which is there. You can click on this button, copy. So now this link is copied. You can go in your Teams, and when you are taking your class, at the time of taking of your class, suppose I am taking my class, so you go in your meeting, and in your meeting in the chat box, if you can click on show conversation, click here. In your chat box you can go and paste. So for paste the option is Control V. So you can see this form is pasted here. So this I am going to do while I am taking the class, and I'm going to announce in the class that students, you have to fill it, and I will get all the record. So I took a class today. This is my form, and I can go in responses and I can see that there are 47 responses and I can view result here. So this is a list of all the students who have filled this. Then I can also generate an Excel sheet. So if I go on open in Excel, I will get the entire result in Excel. So this is downloaded in my computer. So this is how your Excel sheet look like. You will also know at what time they have recorded their attendance, what are their name and their attendances. Since I have given only one option, I am present, everybody has marked that. So we have the list of all the students with the time at which they have recorded their attendance. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Please make sure you sign out from your account after completing this work. There are a couple of other ways also to open Microsoft Forms, but this one is very easy. Also, these forms can be used for collecting feedback and also for creating quizzes in the class, so that we can do later.